First day introduction.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is this your first day?
Yes, it is. I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. My name is Jason.
Nice to meet you too.
Welcome. I hope you feel good today.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
That's okay. Everyone feels nervous on the first day.
This office is very nice.
Yes, it's a good place to work.
Do people come to work early?
Some people do, some don't. I came early because I wanted to be safe.
That's a good idea. Is the coffee machine easy to use?
Yes, very easy. Just press one button.
Great. I'll try it later.
Which team will you work with?
The design team.
Oh, they're very nice and funny.
Really? That makes me happy.
They like to talk a lot at lunch.
That sounds nice.
You'll like them quickly.
I hope so.
Did you just move to this city?
Yes, last week. I'm still learning about the area.
If you need to know about restaurants, ask me.
Thank you. That would be helpful.
Do you have a meeting soon?
Yes, in 30 minutes.
Just listen today. Don't worry about anything.
That's good advice.
Do you want me to show you the office after work?
Yes, that would be great.
Okay. Welcome again, Emily.
Thank you, Jason. Helping a coworker.
Be careful.
Oh, thank you. I almost dropped everything.
No problem. Do you need help?
Yes, please. These are very heavy.
Here, I'll carry the top part.
Thank you so much. I'm Mark.
I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sophie. I didn't know there would be so many papers.
Is there a big meeting? Yes. The managers need all these papers printed.
Wow. That's why they're so heavy. My hands are still shaking.
You carried a lot. You did well.
Thanks. I tried very hard not to drop them. Where are we going?
To meeting room 2. It's down the hall.
Good. That's not too far. It feels far when you carry this much paper.
I understand. Paper is heavy sometimes.
Yes, it is. How is your morning?
Busy, but okay. How about you?
Same. I've been busy since 9 o'clock.
At least it's quiet here in the hallway.
Yes, that's nice.
We're almost there.
Good. My arms are tired.
Here's the room.
Perfect.
Let's put these down.
Finally, I can relax now.
Me too. Thank you again, Mark.
You're welcome, Sophie. Lunch break. Chat. This food smells so good.
I'm happy we came here.
Me too.
I was hungry all morning.
I really needed a break.
Same.
My morning was very long.
Was it busy?
Yes. So many emails and small jobs.
I understand. I had many phone calls. That's why you look tired.
Yes. And I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no. Are you stressed?
Maybe. I keep thinking about work.
I do that too. My brain doesn't stop sometimes.
I hope I sleep better tonight.
Try drinking warm tea before bed. It helps me relax.
That sounds nice. I'll try it. Do you like this restaurant?
Yes, I love it. It's quiet and relaxing. The soup here is very good.
Really? I didn't try it yet.
Yes, it's light and delicious.
I'll order it next time. Do you have plans this weekend?
Not really. I'll just rest at home.
Good idea. We need rest after this week. What about you?
I might visit my parents. They always cook a lot.
That sounds wonderful. I miss home cooking.
Yeah, I always eat too much there.
Me too. Home food is the best. Are you ready to go back to work?
Not really, but we have to.
True.
Let's enjoy lunch first.
Yes, slow lunches are nice. First time in the pantry. This coffee machine looks hard to use.
Do you need help?
Yes, please. I just want coffee.
No problem. I'll show you.
Thank you.
First, press this big button here.
Okay. What's next?
Now choose your drink on the screen.
I want black coffee.
Good choice. That will wake you up.
Does it take a long time?
Yes. It's slow in the morning. It smells good already. The coffee here is nice.
Do many people come here?
Yes, people come here 2 times every day.
Wow, everyone loves coffee here.
You'll love it too.
I'm very sleepy right now.
Here's your coffee. Be careful. It's hot.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Ask me if you forget how to use it.
I will. This machine is confusing.
Don't worry. Soon, it will be easy for you.
I hope so.
Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks. Asking for days off. Good morning, Mr. Carter. Can I talk to you?
Sure. Come in. What do you need?
I need 2 days off from work.
2 days. Is something wrong?
No, everything is okay. It's about my family.
Is it serious?
Not serious, but it's important.
I see. Which days do you need?
Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you. I finished most of my work.
Do you have anything urgent today? Just one small thing. Can you finish it today?
Yes, I'll do it after lunch.
Good. What about the Friday project?
I already did the important parts.
That's great. Can you send it to me?
Yes, I'll send it tonight.
Thank you for preparing everything.
I don't want to cause problems.
That's good. I'm happy about that.
I want everything to go well.
Of course. Family is most important.
Thank you for understanding.
No problem. Just send me an email.
Okay. I'll write it today.
Good. How long will you be away?
2 days. Maybe 3.
If your plans change, let me know.
Yes, I'll tell you. Do you need help with your work?
Maybe someone can check my emails. I can ask Tom to do that.
That would be perfect.
Don't worry, we'll take care of everything.
That makes me feel good.
Is your family far away?
Yes, it's a long trip.
Make sure you rest, too.
I will. Thank you.
Take care of your family.
I will. Thank you, Mr. Carter. Lost in the hallway. Excuse me. I think I'm lost.
That's okay. Which room do you need?
Meeting room B2. I can't find it.
Ugh, B2 is difficult to find.
Really? I thought it was near the elevator.
It was before they moved it last month.
Oh, that's why I can't find it.
Yes, many people get lost too.
I'm happy to hear that. I thought only I was lost.
Don't worry. I'll help you find it.
Thank you. My meeting starts in 5 minutes.
Don't worry. It's not far from here.
I don't want to be late again.
You'll be fine. We have time.
This floor is really confusing.
I know. All the doors look similar.
I walked past the same place many times.
Everyone does that here.
How long have you worked here?
Almost 3 years. I still get lost sometimes.
Really?
Yes. Okay. Turn left here. Then go straight.
Yes.
Walk straight until you see a big plant.
A plant. That's funny.
I know. But it helps people remember.
Oh, I can see it now.
Perfect. B2 is next to the plant.
Finally. I thought I would never find it.
You found it.
Thank you so much. You really helped me.
No problem. Ask me again if you get lost.
I probably will. I am bad with directions.
Me too sometimes. Okay, good luck today.
You too. Have a good meeting. Asking how to use the printer.
Hi, do you need help with the printer?
Yes, please. I don't know how to use it.
Don't worry. Many people find it confusing.
Really? I thought I was the only one.
No, not at all. I'll help you.
Thank you. I just need to print one paper.
Okay. First, choose a tray here.
Which tray is good?
Tray 1 is good for normal printing.
Okay. What do I do next?
Choose black and white on the screen.
Why not color?
Color takes more time and uses more ink.
I understand. Then I press print.
Yes. Press the big green button.
Oh, it's printing now.
See, it's easy.
I was afraid to touch it before.
Everyone feels that way at first.
Can you show me how to make copies too?
Sure. Put your paper here face down.
Like this.
Perfect. Now press start.
Copy.
That's all. Yes. The machine looks difficult, but it's simple.
I feel much better now.
Good. Ask me anytime you need help.
I might forget tomorrow.
That's okay. I'll show you again.
Thanks, Ryan. You really helped me.
I'm happy to help.
Rules at workplace. Hi, Emma. Can I ask you something?
Yes, of course. What is it?
I'm new here. I want to learn the office rules.
Sure. What do you want to know?
Can I eat food at my desk?
Yes, but only small snacks. For big meals, go to the kitchen area.
I see. What about phone calls?
Short calls are okay at your desk. For long calls, use the phone rooms.
That makes sense. What should I wear to work?
Casual clothes are fine, but don't wear pajamas.
Okay. Can I listen to music?
Yes, but use headphones. Don't use speakers.
Good rule. No one wants to hear my music.
Exactly. Also, be careful with garbage.
Do we separate paper and plastic?
Yes, the bins have labels on them.
Good to know. One more question. Can I leave work early?
Only if your manager says yes.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Don't worry, you'll learn everything quickly.
Thanks, Emma. You explained everything clearly.
No problem. Ask me anytime you have questions.
Small talk in the elevator. Good morning, Max. Will you be busy today?
Good morning, Olivia. Yes, probably. The weather is terrible today.
I know. It was raining very hard. I got very wet outside.
Me too. My umbrella broke.
Oh no, that's bad.
Yes, the wind was very strong.
I hope the sun comes out later.
The weather report said maybe this afternoon.
That would be nice. I don't like wet shoes.
Me neither. They're very uncomfortable.
Was it hard to drive here?
Yes. The traffic was very slow.
I took the bus. It was full of people.
Everyone was in a hurry because of the rain.
Yes.
Rain makes the city crazy.
At least this elevator is warm.
That's true.
Do you like rainy days?
Only when I'm at home.
Same here.
Rain is good for watching movies or for sleeping.
That's the best.
Oh, here's our floor.
Good.
Let's have a good day.
Yes.
Good luck today.
You too, Olivia. Training to use a computer. Hi, Sarah. Do you have time to help me?
Yes, sure. What do you need?
I need help with the work computer,
Which part?
the computer setup, and the company files.
Okay, let's start with the files.
Good. I don't know where to save my files.
Click here. This is the main folder. So all our team files go here.
Yes,
And each project has its own folder inside.
I understand. How do I put files here?
Just drag and drop them. It's very easy.
That's simple. What about Word documents?
Open Word, then find the company templates.
Oh, I didn't know about that.
Many people don't see it at first.
I'm not good at Excel. Can you help?
Of course. What do you need to do?
I need to make simple tables for reports.
Click Insert Table. Start with a small table.
Okay, that looks easy.
You can also use the Auto Sum button.
Oh, yes. I've seen that before.
It's very helpful for adding numbers quickly.
Thank you, Sarah. This really helps me.
You're welcome. Ask me anytime you need help.
I will. I want to learn everything.
Well, you're learning quickly. Don't worry.
Thanks. I feel much better now.